me how to be closer to you. Tell me how.
Good morning, guys. Today I'm showing you what I eat in a day on the Nutrisystem diet. First, I'm preparing some green tea, then cutting up some fruit for my cereal.
I love it when you whisper in my ear, words only meant for me to hear. Promise that your secret's safe with me.
They're high fiber bran flakes, and I always have them with almond milk or coconut milk.
The answer to my prayers, feeling like the world's in our hands. Now I know that this is meant to be. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason I'm free.
I love that first drink of coffee or tea in the morning. It just helps me reflect on the rest of my day.
You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason I'm free.
Leg day, y'all. Now, my legs and butt are okay, but let's be real. We can all use an extra lift. Am I right? This is me being my weird self, because life isn't fun if it's not a little weird. These are the healthy Cheetos. They aren't my favorite, but I'm getting used to them. Also, I'm supposed to be drinking about 64 ounces of water every day. For lunch, I'm having vegetarian chili with cucumbers and tomatoes. Trying to keep it simple. I love chili, so this is probably one of my favorite things on this meal plan. Moving into dinner, yes, high protein barbecue chicken. It's 150 calories for the pack. I'm just gonna put it in a bun and enjoy this deliciousness with cucumber and cauliflower. Oh wow, that's really good. I think this is gonna be one of my favorite dinners. The barbecue chicken, so good. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please like it. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye!